This is 4 Mile Beach in Port Douglas, 1 hour north of Cairns in far north Queensland, Australia. Douglas Shire Council is an inclusive council, and we had an issue with people with disabilities accessing the beach, and we wanted to get around that the best way possible. We were looking for a product that was durable, required little maintenance, and could withstand the harsh elements of tropical North Queensland. What we came up with was a recycled plastic decking and a composite structure. The deck was installed by the council's civil construction crew and found it an easy product to install, straight decking and simple instructions. In May 2018 we had a grand opening in line with Council's Carnival celebrations. We've had nothing but positive feedback from locals and visitors, and the structure is serving its purpose magnificently.
We normally go down right at the very beginning where it's a very short sandy bit and I get out, but I can't, it's too hard to push me in the sand. So no, it's an enormous asset. I think your parents with pushers and kids, and it's greatly appreciated. Even those who just have walking sticks, it's so much easier. It's fantastic. I'm impressed with the landing and the ramp and it's just really great.
In the design process, we wanted an area where people could sit and watch instead of accessing the beach, or if they wanted to, they could head down and have a swim. Overall, the structure looks like it should be here. It fits community need, and it's a shining example of the work the Douglas Shire Council can perform in conjunction with